What is active labor market policy? Active labor market policy is essentially when a labor worker loses a job, you support them in various ways. One, of course, in Europe, you get unemployment benefits. But more than that, the best country from active labor market policy is Denmark. So when Denmark, a worker loses job, the state carries out policy programs of training the worker for new skills, which will be in demand. The old skills are no longer in demand, you lose your job, but the state takes a responsibility and the trade unions takes responsibility of training you in new jobs. That's part of the active labor market policies. As far as I know, Denmark's program is the best in the world. So this is something, so laborers, instead of agitating for job losses, sometimes job losses are inevitable because of the market fluctuations in market demand, etc. But it's neutralized by active labor market policies in social democratic countries like Denmark.